Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Electrolux washer E11 error code. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now if you're getting this E11 error code on your Electrolux washer, there's a few things that you do to probably fix this issue. So the E11 error indicates that the washer isn't getting enough water. So this can happen because of kinks or blockages in the hose, low water pressure, or a faulty water inlet valve. Now, how do you fix this? So first is you want to check for kinks or blockages on your washer. So look at the water hoses connected to your washer and make sure that there are no kinks or bends. So that could be in this case, the cause of water blockages. So in this case, straighten out any kinks and ensure nothing is blocking the hoses. Now, usually it's going to be at the very back, so just go ahead and just check it. Next is you want to check your water pressure. So low water pressure can also trigger the E11 error, specifically if the washer doesn't fill up within 6 minutes. So to make sure the water tap is fully turned on. Now, to fix this, make sure you've had it or the water source you have is fully turned on. So make sure it's maximized, or if you don't want to maximize, at least full water pressure or enough pressure is given. And to test this issue is you want to disconnect both the hot and cold hoses from the washer and turn on the water with each hose placed in a bucket. So this will let you check if there's enough water pressure on your hoses or from your water inlet. Now, also you might want to check the water inlet valve here. So if you still see the error code, the water inlet valve may be faulty, which means it's not getting water into the washer. So to fix this, you need to check the water inlet valve, and if it's damaged or not working, you need to replace it. So if that's the case with your water inlet valve here, if you're not sure how to exactly do that, it is suggested that you reach out or get a technician for this one, not in order for you to not cause further issues on your washer. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.